Hey kids, write with me uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, V, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again learn with me lowercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, V, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and G. Say with me, shape name, circle, color name, violet. Say with me, shape name, half circle, color name, light green. Say with me, shape name, oval. Say with me, shape name, triangle, color name, orange. Say with me, shape name, square. Say with me. Shape name rectangle. Say with me. Shape name pentagon. Say with me. Shape name star. Say with me. Shape name cylinder. Say with me. Shape name hexagon. Name of 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Say with me. Friday. Say with me. Saturday. Again say with me. Sunday. Read with me. 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Say with me. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Say with me. 6. S-I-X. 6. Say with me. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Say with me. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And last one. 10. T-E-N. 10. Subscribe for more video.